Today, I'm going to show you how to plan a route traveling from point A to point B using your electric vehicle. It seems at the moment that the best way to do this is using the app. It's called A Better Route Planner, or go directly to the website, which is abetterrouteplanner.com. Here you can see I already started the route planning. Point A is my Walmart somewhere in Philadelphia. Point B is somewhere in Pine Bush, New York. Once you fill in A and B, you can go ahead and tell it which car you have, how much battery percentage are you starting with, how much you want to end with, and then click on Plan. So here you can see that if I leave right now, then I have to recharge at that time, 4 p.m., and then I should end up at my destination by 5:50. Click on the filters. You can see more options. And if you don't want this charging station, go ahead and click on Replace Charger. Click on Filter. Clicking on Filters will give you these options. Strangely enough, in the filters, there is no brand filtering. For instance, I only charge at Electrify America. That's because I get it for free. I don't know if the premium version of this in the app or the website will let you change it, but as of right now, I don't see such options. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to plan everything using Google Maps, which is totally free. Let's start by going to this website. On the top, step 1, go ahead and choose alternative fuel station. Time frame, current, fuel type electric, station access public, open, United States, or Canada if that's where you want to go. File format, CSV. Then fill in your personal information or put in fake information if you want. Check the box and then click on download. This file is huge, maybe like 25 megabytes. In order to open this CSV file, I'm just going to use Excel. Yes, this Excel is ancient, from year 2003. The new version takes forever to open up. This version takes like less than 1 second to open it up. That's why I'm sticking to this Excel version. And it works just as good for what I need it for. This file has a bunch of data. I'm just going to clean it up because there's a lot of info that I don't need. For instance, the opening hours, the pricing, when it was open, etc., etc. Once I clean the file up, this is what I got. There's the station name, the street address, city, state, zip code, how many charging stations there are, the latitude, longitude, and the ID. Go ahead and save this as a CSV file or Excel file. Next, let's open Google My Maps. Go to this website, create a new map, click on Create, click on Import. We're going to upload the file that you saved previously. For me, this is the Electrify America stations only because that's where I charge for free. It's going to ask you, how do you want to position your place marks? So we'll just use latitude and longitude. Make sure those are checked and then click on Continue. For the title, I'm going to click on the station name. Click on Finish. And there you go. Here are all of the 1,000 plus stations of Electrify America throughout the United States. If you don't like this icon for whatever reason, go ahead and go to the paint bucket, click on it, change it to whatever icons you want, and the color as well. I prefer mine as the default, which is this, and the green. Click on X when you're done. This is pretty cool, right? Now I only see Electrify America stations throughout the United States. Now, if I want to view Tesla superchargers or any other station, all I have to do is click on Add Layer and import the Excel file all over again. But for now, I'm happy with just Electrify America only. Don't forget to give this map a name. That way you can reuse it again and again for directions or route planning. And of course, if you want to share it, go ahead and click on the share icon. If you want to use this map, you're certainly welcome to. I'll have the link down in the video description below. Let's do the same route planning as before. Click on Add Directions. Our point A will be the Walmart, and our point B will be the Meditation Center. Now, when you look at the map, you can see all of the EA stations along the blue route, right? Pretty slick. On top of the map, there's a ruler that you can use to measure distance. Myself, I like to take a break every 100 miles. Even though my car can easily do 250-mile range. 100 miles away from the Walmart Center will land us somewhere right here. So we can see that there are 2 EA stations nearby. If you click on it, it will let you know more information. For instance, right here, it will have 4 charging stations. And here is 6 charging stations, which is even better. So for this trip, most likely I'll stop by Westfield Garden State Plaza. If for some reason you don't like the blue routes, you want to go into this EA stations, you can always grab the blue routes, drag it somewhere else, like this station right here, and then it'll update the map instantly. So far, we've done everything on the desktop. Now we're going to do the same thing on the mobile phone. So go ahead and go to your Google Map apps. On the bottom side, click on U. Go all the way down. Click on Maps. In Maps, you should be able to see the map that was just created. In this case, it's Electrify America Station only. For this demo, I'm just going to open another similar map that I created earlier. Here you can see the exact same thing as before, all of the EA stations throughout the United States. If you want to get more info, just click on the icon. So here we go. This is at the Hampton Inn in Texas. Pulling this up will allow you to see more info. All this info was pulled from the Excel file, by the way. At this station in Texas, there's 4 charging stations. Let's click on directions to get some direction. Just for fun, we're going to start from the Statue of Liberty all the way to Texas. In the preview mode, you can see all of the EA stations throughout the blue route, right? Interestingly enough, when you start driving, the EA stations will disappear. That's kind of annoying, and I don't know why that happens. If you know how to prevent it, please let me know in the comment section below. Using my method, there is no way for you to know if the charging station has an open slot. You'll still need to use the proprietary app. In my case, I have to use the Electrify America app to know if charging slots are available once I arrive at the station. Alright, hopefully this video helps you with route planning for your next trip. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.